Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe an interesting discussion you had with your friend. You should say what the discussion was about, what opinions you and your friend had, why do you think the discussion was interesting, and how did you feel about it? My close friend Rohan and I recently had one of the most fascinating conversations on the benefits and drawbacks of studying overseas as opposed to in our own India. One evening after our coaching lesson, we were seated in a cafe when a light-hearted conversation descended into an interesting and in-depth exchange. We are both preparing for our future occupations, thus this subject is very pertinent to us as students. Rohan is adamant that studying overseas, particularly in nations like Canada, the UK, and Australia, provides greater exposure, excellent education, and better employment prospects. He maintained that living and studying abroad gives kids the opportunity to interact with people from different cultures, develop their communication abilities, and gain independence. Additionally, he stated that international corporations frequently place a higher value on foreign degrees, which might result in improved employment opportunities. However, I offered a somewhat different viewpoint. I think there are benefits to studying overseas, but I also think there are many benefits to studying in India. The IITs, IIMs, and other prestigious universities are among the numerous reputable establishments in this area. I said that staying in India is more cost-effective, enables students to remain near their family, and provides them with a thorough understanding of the local business and employment landscape. I also brought up how immigration laws, cultural norms, and homesickness can make it challenging to settle overseas. We both presented reasonable arguments, and rather than bickering, we accepted one another's viewpoints and had an open mind, which is what made this conversation so fascinating. Throughout the debate, we even looked up success stories and data on our phones. The fact that the subject matter was closely tied to our own objectives and that we were both sincere in our opinions made it intriguing as well. Actually, it gave me a fresh viewpoint, and I think it did the same for him. At the conclusion of the conversation, we decided that a person's success is determined by their level of dedication and hard effort, not merely by where they study, whether in India or elsewhere. After this discussion, I felt great since it was not only educational, but it also helped me to better understand my personal goals. These kinds of conversations foster growth and critical thinking, which is why I found them so captivating and unforgettable.
And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.